In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your liked reels on Facebook app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to menu. Scroll down and select Reels. Then tap at your profile picture at the top right. And then scroll down again. There you can easily find this liked button. Just tap on it. And on the next step, it will show you all your liked reels on Facebook app. You can get into any reel. As you can see, this thumb up button is highlighted, which means that you have liked that reel. You can tap on it to unlike it if you wish, and that's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.